The AI paradox. Why growing capability is meeting rising resistance, the tech industry is currently navigating a strange contradiction. While artificial intelligence continues to advance at a blistering pace, a growing sense of AI fatigue is settling in among the public. This tension between technological inevitability and human reluctance defines the current landscape of the digital age. The hype cycle versus reality, recent market movements, highlight how easily the AI narrative can manipulate investor sentiment. A notable example is the footwear company Allbirds, which rebranded itself as an AI-focused entity, resulting in a massive, albeit temporary, surge in its stock price. This phenomenon points to a broader trend. Companies are increasingly latching onto the AI is inevitable mantra to boost valuations. However, this aggressive rebranding often masks a deeper question. Are we witnessing the peak of AI's actual utility, or merely the peak of its hype? The growing divide. Capability versus desire. A recent study from Stanford University highlights a widening gap between what AI can do and what people want it to do. The data suggests a dual reality. Technical advancement. AI is demonstrably getting better at complex tasks, showing measurable improvements across various benchmarks. User sentiment. Despite these improvements, public interest is waning. Even heavy users of the technology report a growing desire to avoid it. This creates a significant social and professional divide. On one side, industry leaders push a narrative of mandatory adoption, insisting that AI is an unstoppable force that everyone must embrace. On the other, a growing segment of the population is pushing back, expressing a desire to remain uncoupled from an increasingly automated world. Broader market trends. The friction surrounding AI is not occurring in a vacuum. It is part of a larger ecosystem of shifting economic and regulatory pressures. Recent discussions in the tech sector have touched upon several critical issues: monopolies and regulation. The ongoing legal battles surrounding companies like Ticketmaster underscore the growing scrutiny of market dominance. Hardware and infrastructure. From the competitive landscape between Microsoft and Apple to the rising costs of essential components like RAM, the physical foundation of tech is becoming more expensive and contested. The cost of living. A general trend of rising prices across all sectors is complicating the consumer's relationship with new, subscription-based technologies. The central tension of the current era is the struggle between the relentless momentum of technological progress and the human desire for agency and simplicity. Conclusion. As AI capabilities continue to scale, the industry faces a critical challenge: bridging the gap between technical achievement and human acceptance. The future of the technology may depend less on how much smarter it becomes and more on whether it can overcome the growing cultural resistance to its integration.